So 12 of the 33 items were the same Chuck Nolan Target exclusive Castaway Pop movie line Funko figure, all with varying degrees of box damage. The worst one probably being that, and there's a big sticker tear there. I'm probably just better off selling this guy out of box, which $9, roughly $9 pop, out of box. Let's just say $4, and I'd actually break even on this one. But yeah, I got a bunch of these. I mean, I'm not disappointed necessarily. I just wasn't expecting this many of the same figure. But what I did was, you can search for brands, and when I searched Funko, it pulled up all the boxes that contained Funko items, and the picture that I saw Funko boxes, but I didn't see multiples of these because they were all just mixed around, upside down, turned to the side, so I could see the Funko figures, but I couldn't tell what figures that they were. So I'm just chalking that up to just the learning curve of trying to figure out these bulk boxes. Now, I've got to find some way to unload all of these guys. But like I said, I still like the figure. He's neat. I just have no clue what I'm going to do with all these. I do know I have duplicates of some Lego sets per the manifest, and a few other maybe random odds and ends. I'm not sure. Now, let's see what else I have. Bright neon markers. This double doodle board. It's a little bit crunched in. I don't know if I want to bundle those or not. So this came in a bag. I don't know if the person returning it sent that, or BULQ put that in a bag. This doesn't seem to be missing any pieces. It just seems to have come undone from its little base there. Alright, there's a light up basketball squishy thing. I don't know if that was on the manifest, so that might be one of the accounted unknown items. I have this Star Wars customizable chopper. He looks like he's Velcro. He's plushy. Definitely looks like a kid's toy. Box is still in really nice condition. There's some shelfware on the window. Not really sure. Apparently this was $15. Transported from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Trading Outpost. So is that Disney World, Disneyland theme park thing? I think that's worth some money. All the pops were Target exclusives. Now, they deal a lot with Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, and other places. Now, these are obviously Target brand shoes. These are children's shoes. I think that was another unknown item, or if it was listed, I just scrolled through it. Okay, this was on the manifest. This LOL surprise. Now, I know these sell for quite a lot. At least they used to a few years back. 7 surprises. It's not even open. It's not even torn. I don't this was an ornament. I wonder if this was this limited edition. Oh, it says limited edition spring sparkle. I don't know. See some little art items here. A pencil case. A makeup bag. It's cute. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to pull out this little stuff. Okay, I don't know what this is. Some little toy car thing. Now, I think it's going to be hard to get $4 out of this. I'll probably put that in my local sale for a few bucks. I did see in the manifest, ooh, that's nice, that there was a picture frame, which I thought was interesting because it's neither toy nor baby item. I am always in the market for picture frames for personal use, and I might actually just keep this. It's funny, some of the other bulk unboxing videos that I watched, a lot of the people just ended up keeping some of the items just because they could use them or regift them or utilize them somehow. And $4 for this type of a picture frame, I think, is pretty decent. Okay, so let me find, these are the two things that I was kind of worried about. Yeah, I can't resell these pacifiers. I don't even know if I'd want to give them away. They're taped together, the packing. If it was still factory sealed, so to speak, I could throw that in a Goodwill bin. I don't know. That makes me a little. And the packing is kind of weak on these. I know they are. They come apart all the time, but and you can sterilize and wash items. It's just a little weird. I'm kind of left with a few items I have no clue what to do with, and I mean, this expires December of 2022, so you still got over 2 years on this, but the box is smushed. Hasn't been opened, but I think I'll have a difficult time selling this as well, so I don't know. I think I have this, okay, Easter Bunny Go Fish. Jumbo cards, ages 3 and up. So I think I could sell that locally, but again, probably not for much money. And I recently, oh man, I was so excited about this. I don't know now. I'm gonna have to open this box just to make sure all the pieces are there. I think everything is still, nope, it's not. I know you can't see that, but man. Alright, so happy to see that there were Legos in this box. However, I don't know. I'm probably going to have to part this out. I don't know what that condition that this box is in. I don't know. That's a little frustrating. It's uninspected returns, so I knew everything wasn't going to be minty fresh. And per the manifest, I knew that there were going to be 4 of these Super Mario Brothers Super Mushroom Surprise, or they all appear to be in good condition. And I know these retail for about $5. I probably will hold on to these a little bit, at least closer to Q4, and list them around Christmas time. Last 2 things here. Okay, so this isn't as bad as that other Lego. This box isn't taped. Box is a little crunched, but nothing appears to be open. This Lego Creator 3-in-1 car. So hopefully I can get a little bit of money on that. And Minecraft. This box, aside from being a little crunched, alright, well this one's taped too. So I'll have to see what I can do about that. But it appears that all the items I have are here, so I am happy about that. There's a few items that I really don't know what to do with. I don't want to throw them away, but I might be better off just doing just that. I want to make sure I have all 33 items here. Did get all 33 items, and the manifest was accurate, so I appreciate that. It's just a hit or miss on, of course, the quality of the items when you do unexpected returns, but I do think I can turn a good profit on these items, and I do think I will be getting more bulk boxes in the future. Comment your thoughts, your questions, your critiques below, and thank you for watching. Join me next Monday for another mystery box.